This is Realme Narzo 50, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So to start, you will need to launch open the Wi-Fi settings page, which you can very easily and universally do by opening Control Panel and touching and holding at the Wi-Fi tile or shortcut over here. Then go into More section, open the network page of the Wi-Fi connection you wanted to share with others. At the About This Network or Network Details page, tap at the Share option over here. And as you can see, this little dialog window pops right up, which provides you with the password and the QR code that can be further scanned for any other device to get automatically connected to the chosen Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.